Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the top 5 best free anime websites. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first website on our list is Crunchyroll's. So, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for crunchyroll.com. Now, there are a lot of anime shows available here, and you can watch all of them for free, but you may get some ads in between episodes. I think it's a fair deal because you are getting free anime, and what more could you ask for? There is also a paid plan available. You can also try it if you want an ad-free experience. Next website on our list is Tubi TV. Simply search for tubitv.com, and you will be sent to this webpage. Here, you will be able to see various movies and TV shows besides anime. It is a really great website as it offers much more than anime. But in order to watch anime, go to the Browse embed and select anime from inside it. Here, you can either select one from the list or search for the preferred one. They also offer a paid subscription for ad-free experience, but it is also available for free. The third website on our list is popcornflix.com. Simply search for it, and you will be redirected to this page. Now, in order to watch anime, you just need to click on the search icon and type in anime. After that, you can just scroll sideways to find the preferred one. The last website that we are going to talk about is Funimation. Simply open the official website, and you will be sent to this page. Here, you can watch a large number of free anime for free. Note that they also offer a paid plan, but you can just stick with the free one and watch for free. So that's basically all about the top 5 best free anime websites. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.